everyone, and welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today I'm going to start making Christmas cards because it's the most fun time of the year, and going to be using the very new Merriest Moments stamp set and Merriest Frames dies. Okay, so for this one I'm actually doing a case of the Mini Catty, which is on page 40, this card just here, but I'm using, like I said, the Merriest Moments set. And let's go. So I have a piece of old olive A4 cut in half and scored, ready to go. I then have a next layer and I've embossed it with the Painted Textures 3D embossing folder in the old olive again for the layer. And then I have die cut with the rectangle stitched frames. I have 3 pieces of the Heartwarming Hugs Designer Series paper, then my 3 patterned pieces, and a basic white piece in the rectangle which we will stamp on. And also from the Layering Circles dies, I have a scalloped piece in real red and a basic white circle, and I'm going to stamp on that one as well. So let's bring in this and do some stamping. So on my rectangular piece, I'm going to take these little splotchy, they've kind of got stars and dots and all in them, and I'm going to get the Pear Pizzazz ink, and I'm going to ink that up and do some splotchies. Okay, so some splotchies up in this corner, and then down in this bottom corner. Maybe something more wingy. Okay, so that's my splotchy bits. And I'm going to do the sentiment. So that one's done. The sentiment of a joyful Christmas to you and yours. I'm going to do that one in real red on the circle. Whoop. Now I haven't inked this up before, so I'm just going to give it a test run there. Okay, hopefully we can get the middle of the circle. Ho ho ho, we got the middle of the circle. Very good. So the sentiment is beautiful, ready to go. And bringing in some scrap white. You can see that's where I got my circle from, can't you? Now I'm going to do some holly in the real red. Just do another one of those. Here it comes out. That's better. A little bit better. Okay, the holly. And I think we'll go with Mossy Meadow for the holly leaves. So I'll ink those up. Oh, it's very, very inky, inky, inky. Okay. And I think we'll get 2 this way. Going to die cut these. Okay, cool. Just stamp that off a bit. Okie dokie. So I will run the holly through the stamp cut emboss machine. So I'll do that now. And there's our holly and our leaves. So now I've got all my pieces all there, I can pop this card together. So, getting gluey today. So the base piece of old olive onto the old olive. And then I have the 3 designer series paper pieces. Oh, that's a pretty side too, isn't it? Super pretty. Whee. So we've got one going this way and one going this way and one going this way. That works. Blue that one. And the real red scallopy piece. And then I might pop this one up on dimensionals, the sentiment part. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so try and line that up on, sticks up a bit, and our leaves. And now I've got a piece of linen thread that I've tied a bow with, and I'm going to pop the holly on top of that so it forms a bow underneath the holly. That's a bit cute. Okay, so will my dimensional fit on the holly? Question of the day. We might need a little one. Might need a couple of little ones on top of each other. Now, some mini glue dot. So do a mini glue dot under the linen thread. So just off the edge, whoop, just off the edge of that. Stick the mini glue dot in, and my holly will go over the top of that, and then I think they better go up on dimensionals, so a big one and a big one. And popping that in under that side, and popping this one in under this side, kind of going downwards, I think. Fix our little bowy bit. Ho ho, that's a bit cute. I like the bow underneath the holly. How do you like that? That's a bit snazzy. So that's using the new Merriest Moments stamp set and dies, and there's a #1 for my Christmas cards with the new mini catalogue for the July to December 2021. If you'd like a catalogue, feel free to reach out. If you live in Australia and you don't have a demonstrator, I can help you out there and send you a catalogue. So, and if you'd like to give this one a try at home, if you do, I love to see what you come up with. So please share your creations with me. And until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye!